up, guys? I'm back in another video, and this is, if it works, we're gonna have it on Derpy Lemons and Halo Reach Balls. Halo Reach Balls!
Halo Reach Balls.
So, no.
Okay.
Derpy Lemons is the worst.
That's 33 more than you.
Well, I got 6, so get wrecked.
Okay, whatever. I have 33. Wow.
So Dominic's gonna be doing some really cool stunts on his electric scooter. Yeah, and Dominic's gonna be trying to do a 360 no-scope on it. Boy, you can't drift like a ball. You can't drift! Boy, you can't drift. You can't even wheelie.
Oh, let's see you do a backflip on this.
Let's see you do a backflip on it. And butterscotch, better. I love butterscotch. 360, no scope.
Wait,
Nope.
I'm trying to do a wheelie for you guys.
Boy, you're a freaking failure. Alright. Where is it? Alright. So, this is not small. This is actually pretty large for a dirt bike. So, I'm the owner of Halo Reach Balls, and the guy trying to do a wheelie out there is owner of Derpy Lemons. Dominic, stop trying! You can't do it! Alright, so I'm just gonna set this up right here. Oh crap, no, that's not a good idea. Can I set this up here? Yeah, I can. Alright, cool. Dominic, you got any tape? I can tape this to the... Oh my god. And if you guys like this, leave a like always, and subscribe to my channel.
I did it 3 times, but YouTube is acting like an idiot. I'm riding the dirt bike. You ride the scooter. It's easier to videotape on the scooter. It's easier. Where did you put my iPod?
Alright, Dominic wants to ride his tiny... Hold the...
I'm gonna wait, no, that's a horrible idea.
So Dominic's gonna squat down over his dirt bike like a total nuts job. Vroom, cycle motor!
Cycle loader! Oh, this goes way more quicker than that. Ding. You better watch it, Evan. You better watch it.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Assassin's Creed camping spots. Butterscotch pickles all over.
Stunts for you, boo! Butterscotch pickles all over my marbles.
I got a dagger in my mag, and I got.
Watch this videotape. It's dog TJ Smith.
It's being videotaped, dog TJ Smith. What the? That is the worst stunt I've ever seen. He just went down the hill and made his turn. That is the suckiest thing I've ever seen. I'm done. Dun dun dun. Look at that. That's what he calls a stunt. That's just dumb. Dun dun dun. me then.
Okay.
It's raining out and I'm getting drenched. And chicken wing tacos and lava. Oh my god, it's a mushroom. Eat it, Dominic. Eat the mushroom. And you'll grow bigger. We're in Mario World. Just eat the mushroom.